Today we explore chocolate. We get chocolate that we can eat. We learn about the history of chocolate. We learn about the specific history of Cadbury. It's chocolate, chocolate, and more chocolate. What could be better? Join us. Hey y'all, it's V.
I'm Steve.
And today we visit the Cadbury factory. Cadbury has been one of my favorite chocolates forever. We start our tour with the Bourneville Experience, which is the history of the Cadbury factory in particular, and the village that grew up around it, Bourneville. I was so impressed that they wanted their workers to be happy and to have a good quality of life. So they gave them houses with gardens and really cared about their welfare, and that was quite unusual for back then. This museum also included some personal items, the history of the candy bars, like when each candy bar was introduced, and the history of the advertising, which I found fascinating. I might be guilty of having a Cadbury cream egg coffee mug myself. Then we moved on to the main part of the exhibit. Now, when you walk in with your paid ticket, you get 3 candy bars each. Yum! Then you walk through a really well done history of chocolate. It's almost like a walk-through ride or attraction. You don't even realize you're learning history.
After killing the Aztec Emperor Moctezuma.
Elle s'est mariée avec un roi français et elle a rapporté en fait Cortés, c'était espagnol.
This is White's Chocolate House in the fashionable St. James's Street, London. Chocolate houses were very fashionable in 18th century London, where the wealthy would meet to discuss politics, gamble, gossip.
Then, more specifically, you learn more about Cadbury's history.
Taxes and cocoa beans. And then, on top of all that, I had to move out of Crooked Lane and into another factory, here in Bridge Street. That's when my brother Benjamin told me.
After learning about chocolate, we got to play with chocolate. I have seen chocolate tempered on television shows many, many times, but I've never actually done it myself.
So once again, we just
Yeah, you keep doing it.
stir it, and we keep doing this until the chocolate gets thick and cools down.
Okay. Yeah, you're hot. Just to be. Yeah, okay.
Just leave it here.
Yeah, I guess so. you get to ride one of the strangest but cutest rides, Cadabra the Ride. And pay attention because your photo was taken during this ride. The last bit are some pieces that look like some of their advertisements have come to life. So what was your favorite part?
Really interactive bit where you temper and I don't know what, scribble.
So you like playing with your chocolate?
Yeah.
Would you recommend it?
Yeah. A good half day type thing. I don't think a full day, but yeah, a good half day thing to do.
I was surprised it was a half day. I thought it was going to be quite quick and over, but they had a lot more than I expected. It was quite good. I enjoyed it.
Okay, thank you for watching.
Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.